Hello friends, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to install Facebook Messenger on Samsung M47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and search Facebook Messenger. After search Facebook Messenger, so click on install. After click on install, so you will see after installing app is showing on your app screen. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.